For many generations, Sunni Muslim Punjabi people have been pondering the thought of setting up a unified global community. In several countries around the world, there are small groups formed to cater to their own communal needs. Funeral committees, social halls, mosques, and Quran teaching schools have been set up. These are the basic areas that have been covered by a majority of groups. Is this enough? No, we need more. We need to have a global identity. We need to be empowered. We need to have infrastructures set in place to tackle problems with long-term solutions. We need to ensure that our community health mismanagement is not a burden on anyone. We need to ensure that our children pursue education to the end and select good careers. We need to ensure that our youth get the right exposure to tackle any situation in their lives. We should have a role to play in ensuring that lack of funds for education or medical care is not a deterrent for any one of our community members. We need action committees, advisory committees, problem solvers, leaders, and so much more. We have a solution to all these problems. We have the visionary leadership required to achieve it all. Calling all Sunni Muslim Punjabis all over the world, we are proud to announce the formation of Sunni Punjabi Organization, our very own organization that will empower us, solve our problems, manage our health issues, and ensure all our children complete their education and select good careers. Provide exposure to our youth to tackle any situation in their lives. Build a treasury to manage unexpected expenses. Through the formation of regional chapters globally, we shall unite our people and place ourselves on the global map as the most organized community in the world. SPO's mission is to provide services in business networking relations, career guidance, conflict resolution, domestic matters, finance, education, employment assistance, events management, funeral services, housing, human rights and legal affairs, marriage, medical, mosque management, public relations, publications and media, security, social, cultural and sports activities, welfare and youth empowerment. Be a part of SPO's global initiative. Send messages to all Sunni Muslim Punjabis in your cities. Call on them to join us. The world is about to witness the Sunni Muslim Punjabis' capacity for courage, unity, and community initiative. And though we may appear to be worlds apart and disunited to others, there's more to us than meets the eye. This is SPO. And we send this message to all Sunni Muslim Punjabis out there. We are here. We are waiting. Join us.